Okay, great.
This is our product that we've been giving away to families that has come through. We got stuff coming in this week, and the people you see in the tents back there are people that came here to work. They were from Texas, and we gave them this space. We have a place that they can stay stable until they can find permanent housing. We talked to Red Cross this morning. They're all going to try to help find some more housing for them. How you doing, brother? And here, as you can see, is mostly ready meals over here. We have the water, assorted boxes of product for families. We got baby stuff, food, clothes, diapers, women, hygiene stuff. And what I want to show you inside, we're getting ready to start packing. We have to empty all the boxes. We have to empty the boxes out because we don't know what's exactly in them. So we empty the boxes so we can see what products we have. And with that, then we'll repackage them and things where families could get them. We give them to the whole family. As you can see, we got diapers, we got feminine hygiene products, cleansing, dental, household, napkins, tissues, toothpaste, toothbrushes, anything a family would need. And this right here, like you can see what we have here, household cleaning products.
I'm sorry, excuse me.
And what they're going to do is package these in bags or boxes or containers so families can just get a container that has an assortment of these items in it. And these are clothes, assorted clothing, house blankets, bedding, towels, assorted stuff like that. As you can see, we got pillowcases here. And items like that to be, all this stuff's going to be packed and packaged. But this young lady's mission is right here, Miss Cindy, is that we're working on what they call it, the box?
Christmas shoebox with Operation Christmas Time, the Samaritan Purse.
Samaritan Purse shoebox program. And she's putting all this stuff together for those. Those are for kids. What is that all about?
For over 100 countries that we ship out boxes for Christmas, and we share the gospel of Jesus Christ with them. And a lot of them have never had any Christmas gifts ever in orphanages in Ukraine and foreign countries. And we put them in little boxes, and they're shipped all over the world to 100 countries for children for Christmas.
Okay, good. And what I want to show you here, we've had families. These are all clothes. And a little personalized, like here. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get my phone. See these little problems like this? Not little problems, little things like this. See, those are little personal items. We bag those up for people and also send those out to everyone, along with all these other clothes and things. And here, now, what we do with these, each one of these totes, we've given out how many so far? 14, 15? Each one of these totes has everything a family would need to kind of like give them a start. You have bedding, comforters, everything to go with a bedroom set, suit. And then you have everything you need in the kitchen. You have pots, pans, dishes, glasses, flatware. And like you see this comforter here, we give them this is a knife set for a kitchen. We give them everything they need to start out with. The people that was completely wiped out of everything. And as you can see the totes, you can look along here, that's full, some of them are full, but the rest of them have to be put together. And that's what this stuff back here is for. And the young lady sitting right there hiding behind that computer is Elder Barbara Thompson. She's the church administrator, secretary, whatever you want to call it. She does it all. So.
This is my office.
And I introduced Pastor Ford to you, right?
Yeah.
He the preacher.
I don't know why he said it, man. You know, I mean, he the preacher.
What do you do?
No, that's just the way you say it. Hey, we're giving these what we're gonna be helping families with, and the family kits. It's gonna be awesome. That's people that we start.
Okay. Now, on this note, let me show you what happened to us. This whole side looks like we survived the storm pretty well. But let's look at the other side.
All this stuff got like, all this stuff go out there. Okay. So we're gonna get it all out there. It don't have to be out there right now.
Yeah.
But we got somehow or another to get it out there for the dead eye.
We lost operation of this whole side of the church. The storm took half part of the roof off of there. And this is the result of it. We got some folks here working with us right now, helping us, tearing out everything, as you can see. That up, see that all that up there? The water was just coming down through that. And, they're in the process of cleaning out these offices now. All this whole section here has issues, so they had to take out all the carpet and stuff. This seems to be okay. The kitchen over here. We're gonna have to replace our entire roof. And they said you're not gonna be able just to patch it. You gotta replace the whole thing. And this is the children's infant. Oops, he's in there working at this door. Let's see if we can get in through here. Yeah. You see, they're cutting all that stuff out. They're gonna take it. Stuff out. This is our big here.
Getting some normalcy here, huh?
Yeah.
But it's a process.
The flooring, everything got to come
Yeah.
out. Yesterday we was in here. They just stepped on the floor and water was coming up underneath the floor.
How'd this area work out?
We did good here. Nothing happened here. Here forward is good. But because of the type of roof we got, they're saying we need to replace the whole roof. Except the metal parts in the building.
What y'all gonna do with all these clothes?
We got five.
What y'all gonna do with all this stuff?
We got 5 trucks coming.
Yeah, most of
More.
Of brand new clothes from JC Penney. So y'all need to figure out something.
Ah, more.
Amen.